Ralph Man's Adventures. It is cold, the wind's blowing, but Susan bought a new garden bed that we're going to try this year. Actually, she bought 2 of them. We're going to give it a try and see how it does, and I just wanted to come out here and put it together. It is a 6-foot by about a 1-foot bed. These come in pieces. This is the curved section, and these are the parts that came with it and the instructions. So I just got a wrench, a drill gun, and I'm going to put this together real quick, see how it looks. We got the 2 sides together. Now we're going to put the ends on, and it takes 2 pieces of those, so I'm going to put those together as well, and then we'll get this whole thing assembled. The ends are together, the sides are together. Let's complete this thing. One garden bed is complete. We'll see what we think about it. Susan actually ordered 2 of them. They came in this small box in pieces. We're about to put together the other one, and then we'll start filling it with cardboard, some twigs, leaves, and dirt. New addition to the garden beds. Now it'll be time to, we're going to take and put cardboard down in the bottom, put some twigs and stuff, some leaves, and then we will fill it with composted cow manure and a little bit of topsoil. These new beds are about ready. We put down some heavy plastic to keep the weeds from growing, and then we added cardboard underneath here, hopefully to bring the worms in. We added some sticks and brush. We've done the same on both of these beds. Next up, we're going to add some leaves, and then we'll be adding our composted cow manure, a little of our compost, and a little topsoil, in a 50-50 blend of the topsoil and cow manure. And then we'll add some of our compost, and we're working on some compost tea to add to it. All right, we got the garden beds. They've got cardboard to help stop weeds. We've got some twigs so that they'll break down. Now we're going to add a layer of leaves to both of these beds. All right, we had the cardboard to block the grass. We added the twigs and the leaves. That's going to help compost. It also fills up the beds, and it doesn't take as much dirt, but it will continue to compost underneath and forms a good barrier. We've got both of them filled up. Now it's time for the dirt. We added 4 bags of black cow manure and 4 bags of topsoil. The bed is mostly full. We're going to give it a couple of days and let it sit and kind of pack down into the leaves and the twigs, and see if we need to add a few more bags. Both beds are complete. You may have seen from a previous video, we've got our garden growing in the house and in the garage under grow lights. That's where Susan has her lettuce, her cauliflower, and her broccoli started. And so once that gets up, we can actually go ahead and get that out here now. This is February the 16th when we're completing this. And so those are good here in Northwest Alabama. They'll handle cold. So we're going to get those in the ground as soon as possible. Till next time, God bless. If you found anything helpful, hit the like button. Give us a comment. Tell us what we could do better. And be sure and subscribe. Hit that notification bell and you'll know when we put out another video. Until next time, this is Ralph Mann, Mann's Adventures.